Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me. Here we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Hindu newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is China hosts 2-day talks to solidify Thailand-Cambodia ceasefire deal. Now let us understand what exactly happened. Thailand and Cambodia were fighting near their border. People were killed. Many were forced to leave their homes. After 2 days of talks in China, both countries have agreed to stop and make a ceasefire deal. Now who helped? China acted as a mediator and helped both sides stop peacefully. The agreement includes stopping military action, monitoring peace for 40 to 72 hours, and returning soldiers held by each other. So basically, China has helped Thailand and Cambodia say let's stop fighting and talk instead. Now let us talk about the background of Thailand and Cambodia conflict. So this conflict was started with a border dispute. Now which is an old problem. Thailand and Cambodia share a long land border. Some areas are poorly marked. Both sides claim same pieces of land. This problem goes back decades. It is not a new problem. Now there's a historical tension as well. Disputes around temples and border villages, national pride and domestic politics have worsened the tension. Small incidents quickly turn violent. Now the recent trigger is the military patrol. Now, it has been mentioned here that a military patrol clashes, soldiers have been killed, civilians have been displaced, situation started escalating fast. And so it is an old border issue plus the new violent crisis which has made this whole issue a very big issue. Now why does China step in? See, China didn't do just for kindness. It is a clear strategic reason. The first reason is the Southeast stability. That is the first region. Southeast Asia is China wants Southeast Asia to be stable. Thailand and Cambodia are part of China's neighborhood. Conflicts hurt trade, supply chains and investment. China wants a peaceful backyard. Second is the BRI, their Belt and Road Initiative. China has roads, railways, ports and investment in both countries. War is equal to projects will be delayed and destroyed. Peace will have smooth economic expansion. The third is the diplomatic image building. China wants to show we are responsible global power who solves problems peacefully. This helps China counter Western influence, project itself as an alternative to US-led diplomacy. Alright, and then reduce US and Asian influence. US and Asian influence. That is also one of the reasons why, see, traditionally Asian or the US mediated such disputes. China stepping in is like a more regional influence, shows China can lead Asian diplomacy. And what does China gain from it? Regional influence, safer investment, political goodwill, image as a peace broker, strategic edge over the US. In simple words, peace is profitable for China. Now, why this incident affects globally is because Southeast Asia is economically crucial. Any conflict affects trade routes, regional security, Asian unity. China becoming mediator shows changing global power balance. Now, let's talk about the UPSC relevance of this topic. Why does UPSC in which papers is relevant? GS paper 2 this become highly important, international relations. GS paper 3 this become highly important, security perspective. GS paper 1 world geography plus geopolitics, and GS paper 4 also for ethics and mains also. This article becomes very important. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.